की वंदे
आदरणीय, क्या यही होता है शिक्षक दिवस मनाना? एक दिन शिक्षक की आरती, शिक्षक की पूजा, केक काटना, शिक्षक को रैंप वॉक करवाना, ढोल बजाना, शोर मचाना, शिक्षकों पर फूल बरसाना, महंगे महंगे गिफ्ट शिक्षकों के लिए लाना, अनुशासन की सभी हदें पार कर जाना। दूसरे दिन फिर वही खींचातानी, वही वैमनस्य, वही व्यवसायिकता, वही आरोप प्रत्यारोप। क्या यही तरीका है सम्मान जताने का? क्या यही तरीका है सम्मान पाने का? नहीं। एक सच्चा शिक्षक और एक समर्पित विद्यार्थी कदापि इस सम्मान को लेना एवं देना नहीं चाहेगा। शिक्षक का सम्मान सदैव अपने बच्चों के हित में छुपा होता है और बच्चों का सम्मान शिक्षक के प्यार में। इसी बात को आज चरितार्थ किया है महेश मेमोरियल स्कूल के विद्यार्थियों ने और संकल्प इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के विद्यार्थियों ने। आज शिक्षक दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर दोनों ही संस्थाओं के कक्षा 11 एवं 12 के समस्त विद्यार्थियों ने स्कूल के समस्त कार्य स्वयं बड़ी कुशलता के साथ पूरे दिन संपादित किए। विद्यार्थियों ने एडमिन और टीचिंग संबंधित समस्त गतिविधियों का पूरी मेहनत के साथ सफल संचालन किया। अपने कुशल नेतृत्व, कड़ी मेहनत और उत्कृष्ट व्याख्यानों से आपने नर्सरी से 11 तक के सभी विद्यार्थियों का दिल जीत लिया। प्रायः जहां यह देखने में आता है कि शिक्षक दिवस के दिन को विद्यार्थी मौज मस्ती में या छुट्टी में गुजार देते हैं, वहीं आज महेश मेमोरियल स्कूल बाग और संकल्प इंटरनेशनल स्कूल कुक्षी के कक्षा 11 और 12 के विद्यार्थियों ने पूरे दिन पसीना बहाकर मनाया और शिक्षकों की मेहनत और त्याग को आत्मसात किया, शिक्षकों का प्यार पाया एवं बहुत सारे विद्यार्थियों के लिए प्रेरणा स्रोत बनकर बिना किसी शोर शराबे के अत्यधिक अनुशासन में अपना अध्ययन और अध्यापन कार्य जारी रख अपने शिक्षकों का बहुमान किया और शिक्षक दिवस को शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से अपने सभी शिक्षकों
Raghuvanshi. I work as a principal at MMPS today, and to be honest, it was a very exhausting job. Full day. I don't know how our principals and our management staff manage the teachers, the students. We experienced this one day. It was a good experience. It will definitely help us in our future.
I'm Javan from class 12th Commerce, MMPS. Today we have experienced a new thing on this Teachers' Day. We have learned the meaning of the teacher in a proper way. Today we managed both the buildings with all my colleagues, all my friends, and we have managed it for a much time. And now they are here, all tired, all know that how the teachers are doing this all these things. And today we have learned the new things like the job of the teacher is not that simple that we assume. The managing staff as well as all the teachers, they cooperated with us very well. Today we got many opportunities and we tried to stand over it. And the main thing, it is the work of very difficulty and it is not an easy task. Thank you.
Vande Mataram to everyone. Myself Amir Khan, and today I get very nice opportunity that our head sir provided us for teaching to students. मतलब हमें इस बात का अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि टीचर्स हमारे लिए क्या करते थे, लेकिन हमें जितना आसान लगता था उतना आसान है नहीं. तो आज हमने इस चीज़ को महसूस किया और हम हमारे टीचर्स की अहमियत को जाना और हम आगे से पूरा ध्यान रखेंगे और टीचर्स के साथ कोऑपरेट करेंगे.
It was a great experience for me for teaching today. I want to thank to the authority of the school for giving this responsibility to us, and I am very grateful to do all the work, and I was satisfied with my teaching, and all the students have learned something new, and I got a huge respect for the teachers who are standing and teaching the classes for hours in the hotness. So thank you and happy Teachers Day to all.
First, I would like to thank the authorities of our school for giving us the chance to us to portray the role of teachers that do so much hard work for our school, for the management. Just on the occasion of Teachers' Day, we realized the importance of the teachers for our school, for our country, and for the welfare and development of students. Thank you so much, sir.
Job is the easiest job, but today when we experienced it, I found that the hardest job is teaching to someone. As I entered the class, students were very good and they respected and greeted, but as I experienced many students, they are weak. Many of them they can solve the questions very properly. Some of them understand properly, but today I came to know a teacher cannot observe each student's doubt because there are a number of students in a class and if one teacher cannot handle it. Sometimes we think that the teachers is not solving our doubts, but today we came to know that number of students are more than the doubts would be more, and their discussion we have to handle them, how to handle them. The experience is very good to have been being a teacher, and I really want to say that the teacher's job is the hardest job. And we feel very honored when the students reply us with their fruitful answers. Thank you.
Working teachers. Today I got the opportunity to experience school management part as an administrator. I learned that the school management is not is tough, but as well as a teamwork. Teamwork is very necessary to make an institution a successful institution. Thanks our director sir and director ma'am for giving me the opportunity to learn this teamwork and thanks for giving me opportunity.
Hardik Wani, and on this occasion of Teachers Day, our school has managed the Teachers Day as a special way. All the students of 12th Commerce and Science will teach in both the blocks of our school, senior block, and I am the head of the senior block, and I feel that the work of the head of the block is not an easy task. By doing this, I felt that the work of an head is not an easy task to manage all the classes and बस इतना ही है.
वंदे मातरम. गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर् साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. बचपन से ये श्लोक तो हमने सुना ही है, बट आज एक दिन के लिए शिक्षक बनके हमें इसकी महत्वता पता चली है. कैसे टीचर्स में सहनशीलता और क्षमता होती है बच्चों को इतना सहन करने की. एक पीरियड हमने एक क्लास में पढ़ाया और एकदम ऐसा लगा कि नहीं, इतने सारे बच्चे एक साथ तो हम झेल ही नहीं सकते। बट आज टीचर्स के लिए इतनी रेस्पेक्ट बढ़ गई है। बचपन से जिन्हें परेशान करते आ रहे हैं, जिनके बारे में बातें करते आ रहे हैं, आज उनकी जगह खड़ा होकर उनकी सारी बातें समझ पड़ रही है, सब उनका महत्व पता चल रहा है। और शिक्षक दिवस के इस महत्वपूर्ण दिन पर हमें ये सारी भावनाएं पता लगने के लिए हमारी अथॉरिटी, हमारे टीचर्स, डायरेक्टर सर के बहुत शुक्रियाद है। Thank you.
Vande Mataram. Happy Teachers Day to all the respected and hard-working teachers. We both were appointed as the one-day maths teacher in the classes 9th and 12th on this auspicious day, that is Teachers Day. And we have experienced a lot many things, and we have learnt a lot many things by this opportunity. We have learnt how the teachers are dedicated to their work, how they are hardworking, and how they handle the complete class togetherly. We want to thank to the sir that he has given us this opportunity. हमें एक और चीज़ सीखने को मिली है कि टीचर्स की जब क्लास में होते तब उन्हें सिर्फ पढ़ाना नहीं, उन्हें बच्चों का कॉपरेशन भी नीडेड होता है. So we request to all the students that please cooperate your teachers while the lecture is going on. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
I am Lakshya Namdev from class 12 science, appointed as a teacher on the special occasion of Teachers Day. Here I literally came to know that how teachers experience, how they face the difficulties while the students are not cooperating with us. So I would like to request to all the children that they have to cooperate with their teachers to maintain the decorum of the class and to understand the subject. They need the cooperation highly.
Good morning to all of you. This is Sara Kakdi, student of class 12 Commerce, played the role of maths teacher on the occasion of Teachers Day. The valuable lesson I learned from being a teacher was how a teacher is supposed to be truthful, hardworking, and should know how to cooperate with the students. I figured how nice the experience was to teach the students, but it also required me to be patient with the students, and I had to be prepared about the topic I was going to explain. I also learned how a teacher delivers knowledge, because learning is another thing and delivering it properly is another. Overall, it was a valuable day for me and I won't ever forget it. Thank you.
This is Preksha Jain, student of class 12 Commerce. Played the role of accounts teacher, and I learned how to manage the students and to make them be in discipline. A world without teacher would be definitely chaotic. I learned how to not focus on just academic but also focus on the manner and values. I figured to keep my calm, and teachers see the potential of a student that no one can else see. But overall, it was a great experience and being a teacher, and would consider it as a career option. Thank you.
This is Rudraksh Padida, student of class 12 Commerce, played the role of Vice Principal on Teachers Day. According to me, it was very fascinating experience and I have learned traits a teacher should have. Teachers play a very important role in shaping the future of their students. They teach us moral values and ethical values, and I learned how hard it is to be a teacher.
I am Anshika Pandey from class 12 science, and I played the role of biology teachers. It was a really great and amazing experience. First of all, I would like to thank the management for giving us this opportunity to perform as a teacher for one day. It was just for one day, but it felt amazing and it would be with us forever. And I learned that being a teacher is not just about teaching. It also you also have to be truthful, and you have to help students with their overall development and not just academic values. It was a really good experience, and I would consider it as a career option too once. And at last, I really thank the management for giving us this opportunity.
I am from class 12 Commerce. Express my experience, it is totally different. जो आप समझते 16 बसें, जो 100 लोगों का परिवार जो सर चलाते हैं, कोई इजी टास्क नहीं है. मैंने आज देखा है मेरी आंखों के सामने हाउ द पेरेंट्स आर डेली ऑन रेपिडली दे आर कॉलिंग. अगर स्कूल में एक नल भी टूटता है तो इमीडिएटली वो इन्फॉर्मेशन सर के पास पहुंच जाती है. मीन्स जो पावर है और जो मतलब मैं कह नहीं सकता हूँ कि सर कितना करते हैं स्कूल के लिए. दैट माई एक्सपीरियंस इज टोटली आई कांट एक्सप्लेन इन वर्ड. एंड For me, sir, how sir is saying that it is a noble job, it is a noble job. Really, the teachership is really noble job. Thank you.
सिखाए तुझे दौड़ना है